Hello everyone, welcome back again to the PPT template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT template channel. In this video, I will show how to add footers in PowerPoint. Let's start. How to adding footers. Open your PowerPoint file. Go to the slides where you want to add a footer. Go to the Insert tab and, in the text group, click Header and Footer. Click checkbox Footer and enter your text. Click Apply to apply just one slide in your select or Apply to all to apply to all slides. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT template channel. Thanks for watching.